A real-time video of a Tesla Cybertruck using FSD version 14.1.7 to autonomously descend a 6-story parking garage is going viral. Executed with precise turns on ramps, approach a ticket booth, and exit without human intervention, demonstrating enhanced spatial awareness in confined spaces. Cybertruck makes precise turns on the ramps of the parking garage. The touchscreen displays the navigation route, showing the vehicle's path and the upcoming turns. The FSD system accurately handles the tight spaces and sharp turns typical of multi-level parking structures. The FSD system adjusts its speed and positioning to align with the booth, demonstrating its ability to handle specific tasks within the parking environment. The Cybertruck exits the parking garage, following the navigation prompts on the screen. The FSD system ensures smooth transitions from the confined space of the garage to the open road, maintaining accuracy in its movements.